Hello, Zhenya Vlasov is here with another short tutorial about Craigslist. Today I will tell you about Craigslist alternatives.
If you go to Google, type in Backpage and proceed to backpage.com, you'll see a list of different US locations as well as Canada, Europe, and Asia Pacific and Middle East. Perform search on the page. For Mac is Command F, for PCs is Control F, and find your location. New York for me. Here you'll see all different subcategories for New York, different counties, and let's choose Manhattan. And this is your local Backpage. It is more easier to post on Backpage than on Craigslist, and it's easier to make your ads to stay on the Backpage. The difference between Backpage and Craigslist is that here, if you go to any category, you will see this sponsored ads to the right. Something that Craigslist doesn't have, and probably many advertisers that post their offers on Craigslist would like to have on Craigslist. But Craigslist does not allow any sponsored ads. You'll see that Backpage has design that looks a lot like Craigslist. Same blue font and just a simple list of all ads for your search query. At the bottom of the search result page, there are more sponsored ads. If you click on one of the ads, it also has a post ID, a location. You can also email this ad poster. Now, the biggest disadvantage of Backpage is that it receives 8 times less traffic than Craigslist. But if you will consider the fact that you can actually post more ads on Backpage, you realize that it's not a bad alternative to Craigslist. Another cool feature of Backpage is when you start posting an ad, let's press Services, Business Services, Manhattan. When you'll be creating an ad, at the bottom, there is a special section called Upgrades with minimum purchase of 99 cents. You can choose to repost your ad, and you can repost it many days, and even choose the time when you want to repost. For example, you can choose 10 a.m., the time when everyone arrives at work and start browsing Backpage, of course. Or you can choose 10 p.m., when people are already home and finish with their dinners and in front of their computers. Then you can choose sponsor ad and choose all different options here, discounted prices, and sometimes you even have a promo code. I never got a promo code. Another thing that is very convenient in Backpage is that when you'll be creating your ad, you can have an option of adding a video, which can be maximum of 30 seconds or 15 megabytes. So your ad might have a video. For example, let's find an ad with a video. Here I found an ad with video, so to the right you'll see this video preview, and just press play, and here's your little video with your ad. I think that makes big difference compared to Craigslist. Another convenient thing on Backpage is after you create your own account and press post an ad, you can actually choose post a local ads, which is mainly free, or you can post in multiple cities, which is sponsor ads. When you press post in multiple cities, and after choosing the subcategory, Backpage offers you all these different locations where it has you can even post in Malaysia. All the different locations where you can post your ad. So for example, if I want to post an ad in services, in business services, and keep it for, let's say, 2 weeks, then I'll go to United States. I can choose just United States, and you'll see that it will cost me $280. Or I can choose specific states where I would like to post. And even the states, you can specify counties of the state to minimize your costs. For example, in New York, you'll see that different counties cost differently. Albany is 40 cents, but for Binghamton is 15 cents. Of course, the most expensive one will be the location which is more populated, which will be Manhattan, which would cost you $2.60. Other Craigslist alternatives besides Backpage is classifiedads.com, ebayclassifieds.com, oodle.com, olx.com, and yakas.com. I have chosen those 5 Craigslist alternatives because they're getting the most traffic after Craigslist and Backpage. For example, classifiedads.com gets 3.6 million monthly views, eBay Classifieds 2.7 million monthly views, olx.com is getting 2.1 million monthly views, olx 2.1, and yakas 1.3. All these websites are self-explanatory. They are just classified ads, so you can post an ad, you can search. On some of these websites you can sponsor your ads, such as eBay Classifieds. If you go to homepage, you will see this sponsor ads tab right here. Although each of these classified websites receive way less traffic than Craigslist or Backpage, if you will post an ad on all of them, you can maximize number of people that will see your ad. And if a customer have seen your ad on Craigslist, and let's say he decides to search somewhere else and he will encounter your ad again, he will be more likely to buy from you than from somebody else.
Okay, now it's time for you to do some work. Go to those 5 classified websites and start advertising your business. Want to learn 8 types of businesses that thrive on Craigslist? Get 4 video tutorials straight to your email. Click this link to proceed.